Hey everybody, welcome back. Welcome back. My stuff's falling over everywhere. Alright, got a haul for you. It's kind of a crafting one this time. So, I went to Dollar Tree, Walmart, eBay, and my thrift store. So, let's go. Here we go. My husband has on his desk, he has like this little, it's a tray thing. I think it came with something. I don't know. It's little. Anyway, he's like, you got to make me a tray or get me a tray like on my dresser so I can put all my little stuff. Like if he's looking for nuts and bolts or whatever, he'll put them in that little tray so he knows that he has to look for them. So when I went to Dollar Tree, I picked up one of these. So I'm going to paint it for him and then he can put it on his desk. And then that way he won't lose all of his stuff. So I got to paint that. And more glue sticks. And some pom-poms. I went looking through my Christmas for December daily, and I used to have like these sparkly ones and stuff. So I went on I have my carts. My 2 carts are right here, side by side. So I went through my December daily cart, and they're gone. Miss Ariel decided to use them all and not tell me. So I got some of these. They don't have what I want in them. They have pink, purple, orange. I could use the orange one and the purple ones for October. The green ones possibly. But I grabbed these, but this is not what I was looking for. So when I went to Walmart, they have a whole package. So they got white, red, yellow, blue, and the big ones right here, and they got these little ones. Well, I figured out what I was going to do for my December daily this year. Like I have my Octobers here. I have everything, like I decorate the book and everything, and then I put the cards in there. Sometimes I'll get all the pages done, but no pictures. So I've got 2 sitting here for October, and then I have 2 over here for December. Actually, there's 3 for December over behind me. Well, I figured out what I wanted to do this year for my December daily is I wanted to do a gingerbread house. Make the cover look like a gingerbread house, you know? And so I was watching some of these other ones that have made actual gingerbread houses out of paper for kids. And they use these little cute white pom-poms on the roof or whatever. And I needed some and I didn't have any. So I went and got these. They have these little teeny ones. So I got these so I could do that. So I could start putting a box together for my December daily. I did order papers, but for the life of me, I can't remember what they're called. I think it's called Gingerbread House. That's supposed to be here shortly. I ordered it on Scrapbook.com. So I'll do a video when a December daily prep video. And then I grabbed some plain white. They look like cotton balls, but they're just pom-poms. And these were like $1. So I got those, because I'm not sure how many I'll need. And then I always go through the Walmart clearance area. And these were sticking out like a sore thumb. The only one, $2.44. I'm like, yes. So I bought these. And I think when they were selling them at Christmas time, these were like $10 or something. I don't know. It usually says on here what it is. They covered it up. So I don't know what it is underneath. I don't know. But it has the candy cane, which I'm going to use for my December daily this year. You know, I can use the red ones. This one's a snowman. I always do a snowman page in every one of my December dailies, so I could use that for that. But I don't think there's going to be black this year. So those will be put away. But I am going to use this one. But for $2.44, I grabbed it. So there's that one. And then for my, and I talked about this before, my scrapbooks. I don't have one down here. I showed you my pictures before. Let me see if I can find, oh, okay. Let me find it. All right. I usually order my pictures on Snapfish because it's quicker and cheaper than printing them all out. So I've already segregated these pictures for 2017. So in 2017, she was in fourth grade, fourth going into fifth. So the back half of fourth grade and the beginning of fifth grade. So the school years are divvied up each year, which kind of sucks, but it's more about documenting her on how she's changed through that year. So not so much grade, but so I have these all set up. And so I have 17, 18, and 19 and 20 over there that I have not done. They're in the box. And I think I may have written on, yes, see, I've written on these ones. And I write on them so I don't forget. But I didn't have any more scrapbooks. And I have two left over here. One is a 8x10, and I don't usually use those. I use the bigger ones, the 12x12s, so I can put more pictures in. So, but I have I have one big one still, and then that's what this other stuff is. So I have 17, 18, 19, 20. So I need 4, possibly 5 because of this year. Now last year, I'll probably use 2019, the little one, because she was homeschooled that whole year. So she didn't do a whole lot. So I'm not going to have a lot of pictures for 19. Stuff happened. You know, you got COVID. My father-in-law passed away. Her grandpa passed away. And so that wasn't fun and stuff. So there's certain things that happened. So that book I think will be on the smaller scale. So I'll probably use that one for that one. And I needed more scrapbooks. So I know I'm going to need refills. So here's the refills, and it should fit most of the bigger boxes, I hope. So I got at my thrift store, I went through all their photo albums and stuff, and let me get this off, sorry about the bag. This one is brand new, $2. But it has paper in here. And I don't know if I want to use paper. So, and it tells you in here, use refill this number. So I may try to find the refills for it, because they just unscrew like most of these do. And I can add, I mean, I can keep this paper. This is definitely good scrapbook paper. It's kind of thin, but this is archive paper. You know, maybe I'll do a decorating in between it or something. I don't know. So I know, I don't think those will fit in here. I don't know. But I got this one for $2. All the ones I saw on eBay they were stinking expensive. They're like brand new prices, like $20, $25, $30. I'm not paying that. Not just, you know, and she don't care what they look like. I don't care what they look like. I just want to be able to document. Well, this lady had one that was reasonably priced. So this is the one that I bought off of eBay. Let me finish opening this. This one's cute. This one is cute. Look at this one. I love this one. And it has the refills in it. It already has. So I do 12 months. There's 12 months in a year. So the first page, the front page, is usually introduction, has a picture of her, because they don't have the frame on here. So I'll do a picture of her, her class picture, and the year, 2017 or whatever it is. And then this page spread will be January. And then this one will be February. And you keep going that way. And I have papers that correspond with the month, you know. February will be red. March would be green. June probably blue, Father's Day, the water. May would be Mother's Day, so flowers, whatever. May, June, July. July will be red, white, and blue. August, more yellow, the end of summer, you know, that kind of thing. So that's what this is. So I found this one. I got that other one. And then I got this one. And this one. And I got this one. This one has a picture on it that I'm not really thrilled about, but that's okay. Remember when. So it's cute. And so it has, the front page is just a piece of paper. And then you have all the stuff inside. And it's cute. This one's cute. So I think, and this one was $3. So I spent $5 at the thrift store and got 2 books. Versus I paid $10 for this one on eBay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I got enough to start it anyway, and then I'll have to find another one for 2011. So, and then I got, oh, I'll be right back. Ariel just came home. So I found this tray, and somebody hung it up as a hang-up thing. I'm not going to do that with it. I'm going to clean it. This is just paper. I'm going to see if I can get it off. I'm going to see if I can get it off. It's Mod Podged on there, looks like. I'm going to see what I can do about getting it off or sanding it off. And painting it. This was $3. And I got this tray, which I needed because I have my little Halloween tray over here. And I wanted to make one for Christmas. So I may paint it white and then just make, my husband has really thin pieces of wood like this one has, and I'm thinking maybe I can make, I'm going to take it upstairs and ask him if he can make dividers, thin dividers. So I have one for December, but I got a tray for $3. And then this is for October, December and October daily stuff. This is, I ordered my snap books. I always use the snap books. I didn't find a black one this year for Halloween, which kind of sucks because I think they're all black. But that's okay. Yeah, that kind of sucks. I usually do a project every year for Halloween, and I made a loaded bag last year. I think I made that loaded bag, and that should be down below in one of the Halloween playlists, I think. And then I wanted to make this, well, it's still sitting here, this little box right here. It's a decorated box, and it's going to be like a, I'm going to make a scrapbook for the inside of it, but on the top it'll have like a skeleton, some creepy candle things I learned how to make, a little book. It'd be like a potion room on top. And then I'm going to do a little scrapbook, like a 5x7. I don't know, 5x7 or 4x6. Probably a 4x6 to fit in here. And it looks like it's getting scraped up, so I'm going to have to do some stuff. But this year's little project is going to be a coffin, and I've started it. I put a hinge on there, and it's going to lift up and there's going to be a scrapbook in there. I'm not sure if I'm going to go with this one. I kind of made a for instance, and I don't know how it'll be after I decorate it. So this is going to be my one for this year. But that'll be coming later, but I had to get inserts. I know the book comes with inserts, but you're doing 30 days. So I think I got two extra, one for the Christmas one for the Halloween one. So I have enough, and I think there's yeah, these are 2x8s and 4x4s, which is what I always use. And this long one right here, I usually make a shaker inside that. So I got those for that. And then lastly, I was going to bring this up on my phone. It's really for my other channel, but it's also a craft thing. Now I have two cribs over there for the reborn dolls. I have a boy and a girl one. And I saw, let me go get my phone, see if I can find it. I thought I saved it. I didn't save it, but I'm going to save it now. It's a YouTube video. It's called Bumpers and Cribs for Baby, Decorating a Baby Crib, Bumpers, whatever. And they made these little pillows. Here's the picture. They made these pillows to go, I think there's 4 across and 3 across the top, is what I think. And let me tell you who the person is, so I'm giving him credit, is Junie's Baby Store. I don't think you can see. It's not, you can't see it. Anyway, it's called Junie, Junis Baby Store. And I thought I subscribed to this and whatnot. And it's just, I was going through this and looking for ideas for the bumper pads for the crib. And I saw these pillows. I think it, you know, how once in a while you're watching a YouTube video and advertisement will come up or whatever, or you're watching, you're scanning, and it starts playing the next video or whatever. It was on one of those, I think, but I thought I saved it, but it's not on my stuff. So anyway, I want to do that, and because my basement is open and not finished, I don't have a room per se. So if I had a room, it would either be painted gray, like a light gray, or white, because the boys' stuff is blue and gray, or right now it is anyway, blue and gray, and I have the bumper pad for that and stuff. And the girls is pink and gray. So I wanted to do those big pillows. They're not big. I think they're fat quarter size. So I went to Walmart and they've got these fat quarters. These were $5.90 something, and you get 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get 5 in a package. And then for each end, I wanted to do one big one for the middle, the pink, and then on either side, one, you know, these. So that's what I want to do. That's why I got those. So that's my idea. Now I gotta save this so I can watch it later to make sure I make notes and check it out. So there's my little haul. I appreciate y'all watching, and we will see y'all again soon. Bye now.